Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 21st day of December. It's just about 4 days to Christmas. Merry Christmas in advance to you all. Okay, so basically, today I want to just talk to the beginner forex traders. Okay, those of you that are just starting out, you know, and are learning technical analysis because that's where most beginner traders start. That's where I started also, focusing on technical analysis. Now, one thing that is very common with beginner traders, I say this because that's exactly how, you know, I also, um, how I was thinking in the past when I started Forex. Okay. One thing that is common with beginner traders is they pay little attention to fundamental analysis. So, just so you know, aside from the technical analysis that you are focusing on, which has to do with how to read the charts, your support resistance, be it ICT models that you're learning, supply and demand, SMC, all those stuff. Aside from that, there's something called fundamental analysis, and it has to do with news. Now, I knew about the news when I was a beginner trader. I had a lot of people talking about fundamental analysis, but I didn't really respect it. All my attention was just on the technical analysis. I was like, if I can master how to actually trade, by being able to read the charts, why do I need to go and be analyzing news? Okay. But the thing is, they are news that are high impact. So regardless of whatever technical analysis you might have mastered, if those high impact news are released, your position is going to be messed up. If you get caught on the wrong side of the market. Okay. So that's just the um, warning alarm I want to ring to you beginner traders today. So I'll give you a few tips on what you can do. Excuse me. I'll give you a few tips on what you can do when it comes to a news that is about to be released and it's high impact. For now, you might not be able to navigate or trade the news properly, but there are a few things I'll tell you that you can do when you go to your forexfactory.com and you can see a red labeled news, which is high impact news about to be released. So let's say this is a boundary for an order block. Let's say it's a boundary for an order block and you're looking to trade this order block to the downside like this. So if the news is about to be released and price is currently very close to your order block and you've already placed the pending order, and if an high impact news is about to be released, what you should do is take off that pending order, because if that high impact news is released and price is already this close to that level, there is every possibility that price is going to wick past it. Okay, price is going to wick past it and hit your stop loss before probably moving in your direction. So you need to pay attention to that. Okay, so that's the first thing. If high impact news is about to get released and price is close to the level where you actually want to enter a trade, I would advise you just take away that your pending order, because the probability of price going past it is very, very high. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing I want to tell you is, if you're already in the trade, let's say you're already in a sell trade, but the sell trade has not gone far away from your entry. Let's say this is your TP position, okay, and your stop loss is gonna be maybe somewhere around here, and you enter the trade right here, and the trade has not gone far from your entry position, and you check forexfactory.com and you find out that an high impact news is about to get released, please take your profit and just leave the market, because the high impact news, once it is released, sometimes it wicks in both directions. Okay, so it could move in the opposite direction then come back this way. All right, so you don't want to get caught with all of that drama as a beginner trader. Okay, you see a red label or red folder news on forexfactory.com and you're already trading, and your price has not gone far from your position, just take your profit, take what you have and close the trade, because even your stop loss cannot be completely trusted when an high impact news is released. due to something we call slippage. Okay, I don't know if you have heard of slippage. There's something we call slippage. So you might just think, oh, your stop loss is properly positioned. You are looking to lose maybe $10, and you've already placed a $10 stop loss. Your $10 stop loss can turn to $15 stop loss if you're not careful. Okay, it can turn to $13 stop loss. Why? Because of what I call slippage. Okay, slippage happens when price moves very fast past an order. So when it moves very fast past an order, what happens is that the order is going to get filled at a different position than the original position you placed. So when things like that happen, you might start thinking your broker cheated you. No, nobody cheated you. Okay, it's just a lack of your own understanding that is playing out. So when high impact news is about to get released like that, take away your position, take the little profit you have, even if it is what's it called? If it break even, take it like that, and wait until a few hours after the high impact news. Then you can start looking for another opportunity. Okay, so basically that's what I have for you right now. If you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.